right, now for the moment of truth. The real question is, does this hoodie have the bad tag? Moment of truth. Yeah. I don't know. No, I'm just not sure. Yep. It's nice and blue. Liking the color so far.
Is this the one for me?
No. This is the bad Xxxtentacion. Xxxtentacion bad. Okay. I'm digging the blue. Okay. Nice little blue bad. Royal blue is what it's called. Or royal. I don't know. This is cool. Oh, this is just popped up at the front. Do I want to open it right now? Screw it. Let's open this bad boy.
Screw it, let's do it.
Screw it, let's do it. Here's dead stock.
It is dead stock?
Yep, unopened.
Wow.
Now I'm about to open it.
Oh, this is from the bad
Website.
website.
Xxxtentacion merch.
Got the dead stock.
Soft feeling. Interesting blank. Never felt this blank before. Interesting choice for that. I'm liking the blue though. Now for the moment of truth. The tag. To see if there's a tag or not. And there's not. No tag. Just screen print extension. Screen print extension, but let's see that back design though. Whoa. Whoa.
No more money.
No more. This is sick. It's ginormous. Clean. Love it. Worth it. So worth it. The blue. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful.
Put your butter hands on
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Sadly,
it. It was dead stock.
it's Xxxtentacion merch. It isn't Bad Vibes merch. Or it's Xxxtentacion merch, not Bad Vibes for every brand. Good screen print quality though. Thanks for watching.